The Netherlands is a country of enchantment, where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. From its iconic canals and vibrant cities to its picturesque countryside and charming villages, the Netherlands offers a world of wonders waiting to be discovered. Imagine cycling along canals lined with colorful houses, exploring world-renowned museums, or wandering through fields of vibrant tulips. Picture yourself indulging in delicious Dutch cuisine, witnessing the power of windmills against a picturesque backdrop, or immersing yourself in the warmth of Dutch hospitality. These are just a few of the countless experiences that await you in the Netherlands. In this journey, we will delve into the country's most iconic cities, explore its breathtaking natural landscapes, and uncover unique cultural experiences. So let's embark on an adventure to discover the wonders of the Netherlands and understand why it should be at the top of your travel bucket list. Amsterdam, the vibrant capital of the Netherlands, effortlessly blends history, culture, and a modern spirit. Known for its picturesque canals, charming bridges, and narrow houses with gabled facades, Amsterdam exudes a unique charm. Explore the city's rich artistic heritage at the Rijksmuseum, home to masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and other Dutch masters. Immerse yourself in the world of Anne Frank at the Anne Frank House, a poignant reminder of World War II history. Discover the vibrant street art scene in the trendy Jordaan district, or take a leisurely canal cruise to admire the city from a different perspective. Visit the futuristic Film Museum, or explore the Nemo Science Museum, perfect for all ages. For a taste of Amsterdam's vibrant nightlife, head to the Leidseplein Square, home to numerous bars, clubs, and theaters. With its charming ambiance, world-class museums, and endless entertainment options, Amsterdam is a city that will leave you wanting more. In stark contrast to Amsterdam's historical charm, Rotterdam stands as a testament to modern architecture and urban design. Devastated by World War II bombings, Rotterdam has reinvented itself as a city of the future, boasting a skyline punctuated by daring architectural masterpieces. Marvel at the iconic Erasmus Bridge, nicknamed the Swan for its elegant design. Explore the innovative cube houses, a residential complex featuring cube-shaped apartments tilted at a 45-degree angle. Visit the Markthal, a stunning horseshoe-shaped market hall adorned with a vibrant mural, offering a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. Explore the Museum Park, home to the Kunsthal, constantly showcasing new and exciting exhibitions. Discover the maritime history of the Netherlands at the Maritime Museum Rotterdam, or visit the Delfshaven district, a charming harbor area that retains its historical character. With its bold architecture, vibrant cultural scene, and innovative spirit, Rotterdam offers a unique perspective on Dutch culture. The Hague, the Netherlands' third-largest city and the seat of the Dutch government, exudes an air of elegance and international significance. Known as the International City of Peace and Justice, The Hague is home to numerous international courts and organizations, including the International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court. Explore the Binnenhof, the historic heart of The Hague, housing the Dutch Parliament and the Prime Minister's office. Visit the Peace Palace, a magnificent building that serves as the seat of the International Court of Justice. Immerse yourself in Dutch history at the Mauritshuis, home to masterpieces by Vermeer, Rembrandt, and other Dutch masters. Stroll along the Lange Voorhout, a picturesque avenue lined with museums, embassies, and stately mansions. Relax on the sandy beaches of Scheveningen, a popular seaside resort. Indulge in a shopping spree at the upscale shops along the Denneweg, or explore the trendy Zeehelden Quartier district, known for its independent boutiques, cafes, and restaurants. With its international atmosphere, historical significance, and elegant ambiance, The Hague offers a unique blend of culture, history, and modern life. Beyond the city's exploring Dutch countryside, while the Netherlands is renowned for its vibrant cities, its countryside offers a tranquil escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Picture picturesque villages, winding canals, vast fields of colorful tulips, and iconic windmills silhouetted against the horizon. Rent a bicycle, the quintessential Dutch mode of transportation, and embark on a scenic journey through the countryside. Explore the charming villages of Giethoorn, known as the Venice of the North, or Zaanse Schans, an open-air museum showcasing traditional Dutch windmills and houses. Visit the Keukenhof Gardens, a breathtaking display of over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths in bloom during the spring. Escape the city's hustle and bustle and immerse yourself in the serenity of the Dutch countryside. Tulip fields, a kaleidoscope of colors. No trip to the Netherlands is complete without witnessing the breathtaking beauty of its tulip fields in full bloom. From late March to mid-May, vast stretches of land transform into a kaleidoscope of colors, creating a spectacle that has captivated visitors from around the globe for centuries. The Netherlands is the world's largest producer of tulips, and its fields are a testament to the country's passion for floriculture. Rows upon rows of tulips in every imaginable hue stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's artistry. Visit the Keukenhof Gardens to witness over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths arranged in intricate designs and patterns. Take a scenic bike ride or stroll through the flower fields, stopping to admire the vibrant blooms and capture the perfect photograph. Windmills at Kinderdijk, a testament to Dutch ingenuity. Windmills, an iconic symbol of the Netherlands, have played a vital role in the country's history and development for centuries. These majestic structures, once used to pump water and grind grain, stand as a testament to Dutch ingenuity and their ability to harness the power of nature. Visit the Kinderdijk windmills, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to witness a collection of 19 historic windmills dating back to the 18th century. Explore the inside of a working windmill, learn about the intricate mechanisms that power these structures, and discover their historical significance in shaping the Dutch landscape. Take a boat trip through the canals for a different perspective on the windmills and the surrounding countryside. Witness the power of these majestic structures and appreciate the ingenuity that has shaped the Netherlands into the country it is today. Dutch cuisine, a fusion of flavors. Dutch cuisine may not be as internationally renowned as some of its European counterparts, but it offers a delightful fusion of flavors and hearty dishes that are sure to satisfy any palate. From savory snacks to sweet treats, Dutch cuisine reflects the country's history, culture, and love for simple, honest food. Indulge in a plate of stampot, a traditional Dutch dish consisting of mashed potatoes combined with one or more vegetables, often served with smoked sausage or bacon. Try bitterballen, deep-fried meatballs served with mustard, a popular snack enjoyed in bars and cafes. Sample pannenkoeken, large, thin pancakes served with a variety of sweet or savory toppings. For those with a sweet tooth, stroopwafels are a must-try. These thin waffle cookies sandwiched with caramel syrup are a delicious treat, enjoyed with a cup of coffee or tea. Dutch cuisine is a celebration of simple, hearty flavors and fresh local ingredients. Festivals and celebrations experiencing Dutch traditions. The Netherlands is a country that loves to celebrate, and its calendar is filled with festivals and events that showcase its vibrant culture and traditions. Experience the magic of King's Day, a nationwide celebration held on April 27th, marking the birthday of the Dutch king. On this day, the entire country is awash in orange, the national color, as people take to the streets for parades, parties, and flea markets. Witness the spectacle of the Amsterdam Canal Parade, an annual event held in August, where elaborately decorated boats parade through the canals, accompanied by music, dance, and entertainment. Immerse yourself in the world of electronic dance music at Amsterdam Dance Event, ADE, one of the world's largest electronic music conferences and festivals held in October. From traditional celebrations to modern festivals, the Netherlands offers a diverse range of events that cater to every taste. Conclusion. Embark on your Dutch adventure. From its iconic canals and vibrant cities to its picturesque countryside and charming villages, the Netherlands offers a world of wonder and enchantment. Whether you're seeking cultural immersion, historical exploration, or simply a relaxing getaway, the Netherlands has something to captivate every traveler. Explore the artistic treasures of Amsterdam, marvel at the modern architecture of Rotterdam, Discover the international significance of The Hague or escape to the tranquility of the Dutch countryside. Witness the breathtaking beauty of tulip fields in bloom, admire the ingenuity of windmills, indulge in delicious Dutch cuisine, and experience the warmth of Dutch hospitality. The Netherlands is a destination that will leave an everlasting impression on your heart, inspiring you to return time and time again. So why wait? Embark on your Dutch adventure today and discover all that this captivating country has to offer.